Hey everybody, how is it going out there? Hope you're doing okay. Well, guess what? The project starts today. I've taken the water tank out and Mike's inside putting the ceiling up, and I'm going to go in there and help him in a bit. So come on back and we're going to show you the progress what we have for the day. I'm trying to get some of this old, looks like they didn't use the right material, but this is something like stuff you would use in a tub area. I'm just going to go ahead and prep this here. Maybe I can find some kind of material to get the rest of this rubber off of here, because I want this to be a nice clean adherence when we start to paint. Probably going to use an oil-based paint and add some more. Probably can use roofing nails because they're flat head as well, and they have a bigger area. But this is the hard part about renovating anything, I should say. It's kind of ironic what they had here. They had the holes already drilled for the tubing. So it looks like this was aftermarket, where they ran all the tubing on the outside and removed it from the wall. So I'm going to replace it back into the wall, keep this here from protruding out, and this way we can have a nice smooth wall. The drywall is up. But they got brittle tape here. Okay, ready to rock.